What's up, YouTube? This is Andrew from Edge Breaks back again with another opening video for you guys. Today I've got a box of Allen Ginter Chrome. The first time they've done Chrome for Allen Ginter, I was lucky enough to win this from Topps's holiday giveaway. So that was really sweet. Won this on Twitter, and it also came with a box of Garbage Pail Kids 35th anniversary and Topps MLS. So those were pretty fun to open off camera, and I figured I would go ahead though and do a video for the Allen Ginter Chrome. So really excited about this. I kind of been wanting to buy a box of this anyway. I'm a huge fan of Allen Ginter. Every year it's one of my favorite baseball products. I love all the unique, wacky cards. I know some people do not, but I am a huge fan. So very excited to check out the Chrome version of the product. You can find autographs in here. They're pretty tough odds, so it would definitely be awesome if we find an autograph in these packs. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what we can get. So our first mini is a gray crowned crane. Nice little refractor mini there of the crane. Okay, pack 2. We got a Buggin' Out, a shiny orb weaver. The Buggin' Out insert is super cool, especially as a chrome refractor. All right. There's a refractor there. Very cool. Paul Molitor. Pools. Looking to get, of course, the top rookies: Bo Bichette, Luis Robert, Kyle Lewis, Randy Arozarena, Bryce Harper. Here is a refractor mini, Booming Cities, Sao Paulo. Ty Cobb there. When they first announced Ginter Chrome, I was not sure how to feel about it. But seeing the cards, they are actually super cool. I am a fan. Roger Clemens. Here's the giraffe. Safari Sights. Giraffe refractor. Some people complaining that Topps released too many Chrome sets this year. You know, the people love it. You gotta give the people what they love. There's a Bo Bichette mini. That's nice. Zach Greinke here is numbered to 99. Very cool Bo Bichette mini. Refractor, Miggy, McCovey. About halfway through the box here. Nice card on the back. Nolan Ryan, Bryce Harper mini. There's a Bo Bichette rookie. Very cool. Go ahead and throw that in a top loader. So yeah, some people complaining about the number of Chrome sets Topps did this year. Again, I get it, but also You're not required to buy any product that you don't like. Ricky Henderson, Grom, Booming Cities. We got Singapore there. And Ryu. So, personally, I think it's awesome. I'd also love to get my hands on a Stadium Club Chrome box. I think those are especially just beautiful. There's a Mark McGuire orange, I think to 25, Mookie Betts, and Shane Bieber. Let's see here. Yeah, 19 of 25. Mark McGuire there. Very nice. My boy, Ken Griffey Jr. Nick Senzel from the Reds. The legend. Jackson there. So let me know what you guys think of Allen Ginter Chrome. Would you pick it up? I think I would. Monarch, Butterfly, Bugging Out. I mean, these cards are absolutely gorgeous. And, you know, for the people who hate all of the weird cards, I guess, there is less of them in the Chrome, you know. Joe Morgan. Of course, I say that in we get like our 7th refractor mini parallel. A Giraffe Weevil there, Bugging Out. The Bugging Out cards are just so cool. I love the way they did the name. Very cool design. Might just finish off that set, you know, hit eBay, see what we can find. Sonny Gray, there's a Tim Anderson refractor. Jeff Bagwell. Just a few packs left here to see if we can land ourselves an autograph. Cy Young winner Trevor Bauer. Interested to see where he's going to end up in the offseason. Of course, I'd love to see the Reds keep him, but it's feeling like that is not going to be something that happens. Oh, how about that, guys? How about that? Bob Gibson. Oh, this should be to 50. Jock Peterson to 50. A Babe Ruth mini. And a Luis Robert. What a pack we have there. So the Luis Robert Allen Ginter Chrome rookie card. Very nice. Jock Peterson, gold. And our last pack. We'll see if we have any last pack magic here. Cody Bellinger, Giancarlo Stanton, and a Manny Machado. So all in all, guys, super fun rip. Thank you to Topps for sending this to me for free, along with a lot of other goodies. Very cool. Let's go through a quick recap here. Here are our refractors. Stanton Anderson. We had a couple Safari Animals, a Giraffe, and a Crane. A couple Booming Cities, Singapore, and Sao Paulo. We had the Boba Fett rookie mini. We had some bugs here. Weevil, Butterfly, Orb Weaver. Parallels, we had Jock Peterson to 50. Mark McGuire to 25, and Zach Greinke to 99. And then our 2 nice base rookies, Robo Bichette and Luis Robert. Leave a like on the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We got some fun stuff coming up soon for you. Everyone have a happy, safe holidays. Take care. Peace.